a pot that in the past was used for non-kosher meat become kosher at physical level by itself after many times cooking kosher food?
No. It cannot. It cannot. Actually, the food, as we said before, it's not going to be kosher, because why? It were going to be induced with the not kosher taste. So you have to kosher. It's not only physical, but it's only a spiritual process of koshering things.
So in this case, it wouldn't be kosher in both senses. It wouldn't be kosher spiritual or physical. It would be not kosher.
Not kosher, because especially as you said, it was used for cooking.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Any other questions?